Hello everyone, it's Peter here. How you doing, guys? Hello. So this will be a short video actually. Customer came with a BENQ monitor. That's the board for the monitor. Okay. So it's, like nothing too fancy, but there are three sockets, HDMI, DVI and VGA. The problem with this monitor is that it's working fine on the VGA. I'm not sure about the DVI because I didn't test it. I did test with my scope through here and it was working fine, but HDMI for real with the different cables and so on, it doesn't work. So what I did, I've opened it, of course. I've checked if the connectors here are loose. Yes, at the end of the connector, the 19 pins, but actually they are firm, like no problem, they are soldered. So in that case you've got only those filters, and if those filters are fine, what can you expect? Well, the processor, because that's where it goes to. So because this monitor is, like not really expensive, and replacing the whole processor would cost a bit, I wouldn't say there is a value for the customer. I'd rather recommend him to use another port and get an adapter to HDMI if don't have another port. Yes, like DVI is no problem, yes, because after VGA we start to use DVI. It's a different protocol, yes. And as well HDMI was based on the DVI, so yeah, the communication is again a bit different, but you can use a higher resolution on this as well. So I wouldn't say it's a problem for the customer. I would say that DVI would be okay. Yes, I would be doubtful in the VGA, depend what resolution, hertz and so on, frame rates customer wants. Yes, but because I did put one HDMI port on it and I've tested pin by pin and I know it's not an issue, and I've tested filters and it's not an issue, I wouldn't say it's beneficial for the customer to get a large payment for the processor swap. So I'm waiting on the customer to reply. I'll put it back to pieces. You can down below in the comments section what would you do. I can show you what processor it is, even if you can read out of it. You can't, so I'll read it off. Okay, it's Tango Sierra Uniform Mike Oscar, I'd say, or 88 Charlie Delta Tango 9-1. And the second line, I don't know if it's relevant, but it's Alpha 7 Mike November 9561, or I after small, I would say space. There is third line, but I don't believe it matters. I don't know what would you do. I've recommended to use another cable because it's working. Yes, so that will save money and time and cost for this customer. But if possible, let's fix the mold and let's replace the processor, yo. No. Why put more cost if you can put less, I'd say, yes. But that's it in this video. I've said it will be short. Hopefully you get a value. What can you do and how you can test it. Thank you for watching. If you did like, here's likes to use. And see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.